Have you ever clicked a website and suddenly dozens of random pages start opening by themselves? Or you get redirected to a completely different website you never wanted to visit? There is a hidden Chrome setting that helps to stop this. If you use Chrome regularly, this is one setting you should definitely check. It only takes a few seconds to change and make your browsing experience much safer. So first, open Chrome, tap three dots, go to Settings, open Site Settings, scroll down and tap Pop-up and Redirect. Now select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. That's it. Some websites use pop-ups and redirects to grab your attention, show unwanted ads, or send you to pages you never intended to visit. After running this setting off, you will get fewer annoying pop-up windows, less unwanted redirection to random websites, a cleaner browsing experience, better protection from scam and spam pages, more control over which websites you visit. They just keep dealing with annoying pop-ups without realizing Chrome can block many of them automatically. It's a simple change that can make Chrome feel cleaner, safer, and much easier to use. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.